This is the Aquarius Pro Valet shampooing machine. Just a little review on it. It was £299 off of Amazon UK. Free delivery came next day. I'll put the link to the seller in the comment section or in the description. Seems quite a good machine. Got quite a good suction. The spray on it is not too bad. This is the fishtail head, as you can see, so it sprays quite well. The actual fishtail head is, I think the assembly is like, it's a little bit flimsy-ish. If you dropped it on the floor it would probably break, so you'd have to be quite careful. And the only other thing that concerns me a little bit is those hinges, because the machine's quite heavy-ish, and then when you've got it filled up, it's, you know, it is pretty heavy, and those hinges there, especially on the plastic top, is relying on all that weight to secure it. So I'd probably grab it from the bottom of the machine rather than chancing it lifting up by the handle, because if that bit snaps, I should imagine that's a top plastic bit's probably a fair bit to replace. It's got on and off for the suction and the spray. You can have either or on, which is pretty good if you just want to sort of spray the seats and agitate them with the cleaning fluid. Cleaning fluid goes in this part, and then the dirty goes in there. That is for the turning the machine on. This is the spray. So I'll put on. So just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you the spray. It's got no suction on at the moment. As you can see, it's pretty. You get quite good coverage. I'm now going to suck that up and use the machine. So for the purpose of this video, I haven't, this is my own vehicle. I wouldn't normally do it this way. I'd normally obviously hoover the seat first, then spray it with the cleaner, interior cleaner, agitate it, leave it for a while depending on the weather, and then use the machine to suck up and spray. So I've just sort of done half the base of the seat. I'll just take the lid off so you can see. Both hands really. So the warp feed. So that's the clean water, and this is the dirty water, which this bit comes out. So you can see it's pretty dirty. Give a bit of an idea how dirty these seats actually are. This is what I mean by the clips. There's just a little bit all that weight when it's filled up in the weighing machine on there, so it's probably, if you do get one, better to hold it from the bottom. And then the feed pipe just goes in like that. And then we'll give this another soaking. Now the actual fishtail head is quite smooth. Some of them that you get, they're quite sharp around these edges, but on this machine it's quite smooth. So as long as you're careful when you're shampooing, you're not going to mark the seat. and it's pretty good there. I say the only thing that I'll do is that once you finish using it, is just to run the water dry, so it's out of the pump and out of the lines. More so in the colder conditions, because you don't want loads of leaving water in there. It freezes, it expands, and it will start breaking apart. So this is just a bit of a test on my own vehicle, which that is just basically just running it over. You can see the muck that's coming out of it, so far so good. I'll probably do an update on this in a couple of months, see how it's faring up with sort of the pump, the suction, fish tail, the pipe, see if there's anything that goes wrong, or if it just holds up. Hope this has helped. Thank you. Bye bye.